Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your imported images from zooming in on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. By default, when you add images to a project on iMovie, it applies the Ken Burns effect to them, which usually zooms in on the image and then pans around to make the image seem like a video. Here is how you can stop that from happening. If you have already added the images to your project timeline, you can disable the Ken Burns effect by highlighting one or all of the images you want to change. Then select the cropping icon from the editing buttons up top. Under Style, you can see that it's set to Ken Burns. Simply change this to fit to show the original image size. You can also choose Crop to Fill, which will let you crop the image to your liking. You can repeat this for all the images you want to change. You can also prevent iMovie from automatically applying the Ken Burns zoom feature to new images. It won't affect any images currently in the timeline, but will stop it from ever happening again. To do it, click iMovie from the very top left of your Mac screen, just beside the Apple logo. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In iMovie Preferences, look for the option called Photo Placement, and change it from Ken Burns to Fit. Now, whenever you drag a new image into your project, it will be a static image and not zoom in or out like before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.